Hi everyone, welcome to No Code Learner. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up GA4 form tracking for GoDaddy landing page. So our landing page has a default GoDaddy form, so we need to track it. Okay, let's review it and see that how it should happen when someone fill out the form. Okay, our tag manager is connected. Let's suppose we click on it. Click on the form without filling any data. Just click the button and see that it's insert two event, form start and form submit, but we are not fill out any data. So using these two event, we can't track the form properly. Let's click it again and see that another form submit event is fired. Okay, so we need to add some custom code so that we can properly track it. I have a custom code for insert data custom event in data layer. Okay, just copy this code. I shared the code in description so that you can use it from there. Now create a tag. Actually, our landing page has just only form page, only one page, and there is no thank you page. If you have a thank you page, then using the thank you page URL, you can track the form easily. But it's a single page, then follow this method which I'm showing you. Okay, put the code here and add a trigger. And we create a trigger using this form submit event. This trigger is responsible for run the data layer code only. Okay. Choose the custom event and put the name here. Trigger form detail. Form detail. That's mean form data layer. Okay, submit it. Okay, now give it a name. TTL GoDaddy form. Okay, just now submit it. Save it. Now preview it. Connected. Now, if we fill out, if we submit the form without filling any data, this two event is fired, but we will not use this two event. Let's fill out the form properly. Okay, now check it. Okay, the data label event is not pushed here. We have to doing us one thing. Go to this code. Actually, we make it at least 4 seconds. Okay. 3 to 4 seconds. Actually, when someone clicks on this button, click on this button here. If I reload it, fill out the form and click this button, then it takes few seconds to few seconds to arrive the message. So that's why we need to add some seconds, few seconds here, like 4 seconds. Okay, 4 or 5 seconds, but not add more seconds, like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Don't do this. Make it under 4 or 5 seconds. Okay. Now preview it. Okay, now we are here. If I click the send now button, so our actual event is not pushed here, which is okay. Now fill out the form. And random details, I fill out it. Okay. Okay, now check it. See that now the actual event is fired. GoDaddy form submission. If I click on it, see it's here. So using this event, I set up the tracking. Okay, just copy it and go to tag manager again and create a new tag and choose Google Analytics. Good. Okay, I show you again. From Google Analytics, choose it and choose the second one, GA4 event. Google Analytics GA4 event. And you have to use the measurement idea here, but we already save it. We already save it under a constant variable. Okay, just add it here and give it an event name, which is generate lead. Okay, it's a standard GA4 event. There is another event which is maybe form submission event. I just forgot the actual name. Okay, leave it. Just we can add the generate lead event here and add the trigger which we are copied. Add, go to here, custom event, and put the trigger name which is form GoDaddy form submission. And trigger GoDaddy form. GoDaddy form. FORM. Okay. Now give it a name. GA4. GoDaddy form submission. Okay, save it. Now preview it and side by side I will check the analytics. Okay. Now here, if you go to the analytics, there is no generate lead event is fired here. Okay. Here report. Real-time overview. So there is only form start event and which is not useful for us. So we need generate lead. So it will be showing here. Okay, just fill out the form first. Scroll down. Submit it. Okay, go to the form. If I select on it, see that it's fired successfully. Now go to Google Analytics and wait for a few seconds. One engagement is showing here. Let's reload it. We make an event. Okay. See that now it's showing generate lead event. One event is fired, which is generate lead. So we successfully set up the tracking generate lead event, I mean form submission event. If we go to say admin and go to events, key events, I think it takes 24 hours to appear here. Okay. If we go to events, okay, it's not registered yet here. So after 24 hours, first it's showing under events. Then if you select if you enable this event, then it will showing in your report as a key event. Okay. And you will see here that how many leads are showing here. Okay. You can count it from here, like it will showing that generate lead, you got 100 generate lead or 5 generate lead. Actually, this is how actually you want, and using that event you can create a custom report. I think you understand what actually I am doing here. I hope you understand all the thing, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and I will share the code in the description as a link. And if you're interested to join our Facebook group, then you can check the description. I share all the link in description and the first comment, so you can get all the links from there. Thank you so much.